Hello, everyone. This is Jay Ford with the Service Management team. Just want to welcome you to the introduction video to the new iService Service Portal. The Service Portal was built in conjunction with the support bar just to give end users a cleaner interface in dealing with iService. So the first thing we want to make you aware of is the new search capability in the Service Portal. You can search any term and it will find the most relevant answers in the knowledge base and or the service catalog. So if I were looking for maybe data access, um, I can search for that and it will pop up the most relevant list. So I can click on this and it will take me directly into the service catalog form, and I can fill out the required fields and request access to a data solution. If I go back out to the home page, you also have quick links here in the middle that will get you there as well. If you know what you're looking for in the service catalog and you kind of know the category that it's in, you can click on these categories and see the items within those categories. So Get Access doesn't have very many things directly in it, but if you click on the folder just to the left of it, it will show you the subcategories underneath and Get Access, and you may find something, what you're looking for there. Maybe it's something related to price track. So then back out on the home page, we also have the knowledge base, which has much the same interface, categories on the left, and all the knowledge base articles that are in that category will pop up on the right when you click on a category. And back out on the home page, if you click on the Get Help, it takes you straight to the Service Desk catalog category. And most commonly, you would just use the Contact the Support bar if you just have a general question or a general problem with an application or your laptop workstation, whatever it is that you may need help with. So in this case, I can maybe submit something if I know what application I'm working on. In this case, I know I'm in iService, so I can type in iService. Tell us how many users the issue is affecting, what the business impact is, how detrimental to the business is this service, and then tell us what the problem is. Oops. It's not a very good one since I support that system. So it'll submit that incident, and then you will also see under your request that that new incident just showed up. And if you click on that, it takes you to a similar kind of page where you can see the description that got put into the incident when you submitted it, and who it's assigned to. So this one's currently assigned to Tom. If I wanted to check in on the status on the incident later on, I can type a message to Tom. And when I type that in, that message will then get sent over to Tom, and Tom can reply to it. So that's the main functionality around the service catalog and the knowledge base. If we move further down on the page, over on the left, we have the phone numbers for the support bar in case you want to call them. We show your open incidents that you currently have. And then in the middle section, we show current service status. So if there's currently an outage or a degradation of a service going on, we would pop a notification up on the support bar so that you can, so that you're made aware of that, and possibly, if there's already an incident and we already know about an outage out there, then you don't necessarily have to report it. So as you can see, I have some demo data that I piled in there, put a degradation of service in for iService, and it pops up a notification in here. So if you click on this notification, it'll take you to a page just kind of showing you the history for the last 90 days for that service. So it gives you kind of a, hey, is this a common thing, or maybe just an isolated incident. So go back out here, and if I go into my other system and in this outage, it will then disappear from the screen, and that's how you know when an outage is over. So the support bar will continue sending the emails out that they send out to the business when there's major outages, but this is just another way for you to be notified if you're in the service portal already. Down below there, we have upcoming plan maintenance. So this is changes that TDO are doing to servers or infrastructure that may cause an outage to a system. And we'll show you basically the next 14 days worth of changes that are going to cause any kind of outage. Over on the right, we'll show you the most recent or the most viewed knowledge articles. And down on the bottom, your approvals. So if you approve changes or request items, when people are requesting data access or maybe software or something like that, your approvals would show up down here at the bottom, and you can approve or reject them straight from this page. So along the top menu, we have all the same things that we just reviewed, except for a new one, which is the history. And the history is basically all of your incidents and all of your requests over time that you can search through. Maybe you requested a new mouse a year ago, and you were wanting to go back and look at that request. You can filter it here, type in a search, and it will search through those request items, try to find it for you. And the last thing I want to leave you with is on this home page, we also have a little button here, want your feedback. So if you click on that button, give us a star rating, let us know what you think of the new portal interface, and type in a comment. And submit that. Then we will be tabulating those on the back end and making improvements to it as we go. So be sure to be honest, let us know what you really think, and give us some feedback, both positive and negative, so that we can make changes to make it better for you. Thank you very much for your time.